The Digital Publishing Suite, or DPS for short, is Adobe's solution for publishing InDesign documents to mobile devices like Apple's iPad, Amazon's Kindle Fire, and other Android tablets. DPS allows you to take your InDesign layouts and add interactivity to them, and then share them or publish them commercially, either as an individual app or bundled together in a multi-issue app. In terms of cost, the basic DPS tools in InDesign are included with the application, so there's no extra cost associated with creating and sharing DPS projects with other people. However, there can be additional costs associated with publishing your project as an app. You can publish a single app for iPad only to the Apple App Store for a one-time fee of $395 as of the time of this recording. If you're a paid Creative Cloud subscriber, you can create an unlimited number of single-issue apps for the iPad at no extra cost. If you're going to be making a large number of DPS apps, or you want to publish them to both Apple and Android devices, you need a Professional Edition subscription, in which you pay Adobe a monthly or annual platform fee, plus a small fee for each download. With a Professional Edition subscription, you can create an unlimited number of apps for both iPad and Android devices. And for high-end customers, Adobe offers an Enterprise Edition, which allows large companies even more flexibility to create unique branded apps. For up-to-date information on features and pricing, check out the DPS family page on adobe.com. Now let's talk a little bit about what a DPS publication actually is and what you can do with it. In a DPS publication, your InDesign layout is essentially rendered as a background image, either in PDF or a purely pixel-based format like JPEG or PNG. And on top of the background image, you add interactive overlays. These overlays can contain hyperlinks, slideshows, audio and video, 360-degree panoramas, web content, and more. So you get to preserve the look of your InDesign layout while adding all kinds of interactivity to it. In the DPS workflow, the basic unit of publication is called a folio. A folio is often an issue of a magazine, although it can also be a separate one-off publication. There are two DPS panels inside InDesign: the Folio Overlays panel for adding interactive overlays, and the Folio Builder for creating folios, adding InDesign layouts to folios, and uploading them to Adobe's Acrobat.com servers, where you can complete the steps for sharing your app or publishing it to the App Store. DPS tools also include a separate application called the Content Viewer, which allows you to preview your work locally before you upload it, although it's definitely recommended that you test your publication on a mobile device to see how it will really look and act for your readers. Okay, that was a quick overview of what DPS publications are and the workflow inside InDesign. In the next movie, we'll look at how to create a DPS project in InDesign using the Folio Builder panel.